Trust me when I say that I understand that believing in nothing is a lead-heavy hand, that the fate of the water resolves in the sand, that maybe all we're doing's for nothing. But you pace down the hallway with nothing to say, and the chords all feel empty when you sit down to play. So you stand in the doorway and wait for a change, wishing that every piece was for something. But if nothing is sacred, then nothing is lost. And I'm in your corner, whatever the cost. If the fists that are flying are keeping you down, then we'll fight a little harder and find another way around. But still the traces of you seem to lie spread apart. The engine won't turn and the furnace won't spark. Conversations of futures resigned to the dark. Feels like all that you built may just crumble. But I know that I see in your eyes there's a space to salvage the moments all neatly erased, to finally hold on to the feelings you chase, to learn how to sprint through the stumble. 'Cause if nothing is sacred, then nothing is lost. And I'm in your corner, whatever the cost. If the fists that are flying are keeping you down, then we'll fight a little harder and find another way around. If the fists that are flying are keeping you down,
Not really.
we'll fight a little harder and find another way around. Trust me when I say that I understand that believing in nothing is a lead-heavy hand, that the fate of the water resolves in the sand, that maybe all we're doing's for nothing. But you pace down the hallway with nothing to say, and the chords all feel empty when you sit down to play. So you stand in the doorway and wait for a change,